Okay, so that was 10 minutes later. It's 10 minutes later. And look at all the meats are completely white now. No signs of raw. But let's check it. I'll do it again so you can see. I just split it with the tongue. And as you can see, it's thoroughly cooked. White, no raw. So time for sauce. I'm going to turn the heat back up a little bit, but this time lower than middle, because this is just to get the sauce in. Stir a little bit. And I'll start with, doesn't really matter what you start with, but I'm starting with the hoisin sauce. It's a little sweet, and I don't like it too sweet, so I'm just going to put about 1 tablespoon. That's plenty sweet for me. And then, I usually don't measure soy sauce, but I would say I give it about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then peanut butter powder. This is about, I'm just going to put about 2 tablespoons. Too much peanut butter flavor is too much. And I use the peanut butter powder because it saves you a lot of calories and fat. 87% less, right? That's what it says. Instead of regular peanut. So I'm going to stir a little bit. Get it in there. Because Kung Pao chicken, basically, the main flavor is peanut and spice. So I got the soy sauce, the hoisin sauce, and the peanut powder in. Now I'm going to add some crushed pepper. If you like it spicy, depends on how much you want it. I usually just kind of just like a ring, I just kind of sprinkle all over, maybe 3 in a row, like until it's all covered, because I like it spicy. And stir a little bit in more. Actually, I don't, and this is cornstarch with water. It's a thickener to give it some gravy to the dish, so that kind of melts it with the rice, if you like rice. So it's already kind of thickening because the peanut butter powder, but I'm gonna add some more anyway. So what you do is the cornstarch, you don't just pour the cornstarch right into the food because it will clumps up. So you have to add some cold water. So in this case, it's about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and a couple ounces of water. Basically, you just judge it for yourself to a point that it's like milk, like a milk consistency. And then, while it's boiling like that, you start pour it evenly over the dish. And that's pretty much it. So now all you have to do is just keep stirring it till the cornstarch and water becomes a gravy. Now the cornstarch, because I add cornstarch and the water, it diluted the salt from the soy sauce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit more soy sauce to give it a little bit more brown color and evening salt. And there you have it. There's your Pao chicken. Now I'm going to put it on a plate.